all dressed up for the hubby, and we're off out on a date. But my belt is actually too loose for me now. I've actually need to get another little notch in there, so that's awesome. I'm really happy though. Thank you, Equalution. So it's time to lose these quarantine kilos. My hubby and I are off out on our weekly date. I just thought I'd show you what I was wearing. I got a new little top, a peplum top. It's a little jumper from Hello Molly. It's cute. I've got the Decuba jeans on, and of course my new favourites. I feel so dressy because of the little 5cm lift I have, so I feel nice and tall, and the new bag. And we're off out on a date. We live in a small little beach town, so this is actually very dressy for a date. You couldn't really wear heels around here in the daytime. Cute little peplum jumper. Love it. And we've got our makeup on today. I'm wearing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Novena palette on my eyes. I just love this one. And foundation did I wear? My foundation is the Maybelline Poreless, so it's nice and cheap and it looks so nice. I've got the NYX blush on and the Physicians Formula bronzer, and I've got the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick on and gloss. All dressed up for the hubby, and I'm looking forward to going out on our date. It's so cold. This Arctic breeze is freezing, but it's so beautiful here. The palm trees. So I've got something very exciting. I've got two things to show you actually. Firstly, I wanted to show you this really nice wine that I found. It's probably been around for a long time, but I've only just discovered it myself and I'm loving it. Just got home from work and excuse the way I look, but I have got a very exciting package which I think will help with my exercises and that type of thing. So yes, can you see it in the light?
There we go.
Not the best lighting, I'm sorry, but I just was so excited I had to open it with you. Okay, so I chose, there's so many different colorways and different things that you can choose from. As you all know, I'm a glitter girl, so I did pick the rose, I think it's the gold stainless steel Milanese loop, this is called.
Ooh.
Yeah, exciting.
That looks really cool. Mum's been waiting for this for a while, so she's very excited.
I've been saving up and saving up. I'm very excited to be able to now track my calories and my exercise, how many steps I'm doing, that type of thing, because I don't have a tracker. I thought I'd get the Apple Watch purely because I have everything Apple and I can link it to my phone and to the computers that we have. Oh, so this is the band.
Sparkly.
Sparkle band.
This Mum's liking.
Oh, it feels like a suede kind of packet.
Squeeze.
I'll put my fingers in it. Oh.
Oh. As you can see, there's a little gap in there and that's where it slides into. just like what my mum's demonstrating.
Just like this. And then this is magnetic.
Oh, very epic.
Epic. That's nice. Ooh.
There it is. Very
Can you see it in the
sparkly.
light?
Very pretty. It's very, very sparkly on camera.
Very me.
Yes.
Oh, that glitters.
Oh, that glitters is mum's life.
And there's other stuff. There's a charger.
So there's the
and
charger.
a plug.
Ah, yes, these plugs are very useful in our family.
So once I work out how to use it, I will do a little vlog on it, and I'm looking forward to doing my YouTube workouts and seeing actually how many steps I'm doing on the walking workouts. So I just thought I'd quickly share this with you. It was a big moment. I will now go and have a shower from after work, and actually after I have my wine, it's been one of those days today. As you can see, a bit haggard. Oh, the strawberries are coming in. Some tomatoes are starting to grow. Soon we'll have. Soon we'll be able to, yeah. Soon, hopefully, we'll be able to eat from here.
No, 2 strawberries and 2 tomatoes.
2 strawberries and 2 tomatoes.
You're laughing.
That's it.
Here is week 12's meal plan. We start the day with coffee and Brazil nuts. Breakfast is peanut butter and banana on crumpets. Snack 1 is ham rice cakes. Lunch is a minestrone soup. Snack 2 is fruit salad with yogurt. Dinner is lemon herb turkey and roast veggies, and dessert is chocolate. Here is breakfast week 12. Protein peanut butter crumpets. Yum. Look at the light coming through, it's so beautiful. Here is snack 1 for week 12. Ham rice cakes.
We have some celery, some carrots, some peas and sweet corn, some diced tomatoes, some chicken breast, some real soft vegetable sauce, and some rissorini.
Yay! Good job, thank you, honey.
It's okay.
He's getting so good at this. Here is week 12's lunch. It's a minestrone soup. It's chicken, risotto, pasta, and vegetables. It's really good, especially after having a sore tummy last week. This has definitely been helping to ease that. Week 12 snack is fruit salad and yogurt. Here's dinner week 12's ingredients. Turkey breast strips, Bud Light potatoes, capsicum, pumpkin, Italian herbs, and some lemon. Here's week 12's dinner, turkey with roast veggies. The turkey's so tender as well, it's beautiful. We got the tenderloins. And dessert is chocolate. It's now week 12 and I just wanted to show you how things are looking. I'm actually feeling really good. Maybe you can see with the black. But my belt is actually too loose for me now. I've actually need to get another little notch in there, so that's awesome. Definitely feeling like normally I would have like a real mummy tummy there, but that's actually going now, so I can't believe it. I'm actually feeling really good. Equalution works, let me tell you. And the nice thing, I have to say, the nice thing about it is that maybe the macros are just perfect to my body, because normally whenever I lose weight, I lose my chest, which is not very nice, but my chest has stayed like in a perfect position and I'm really happy. I really still feel very feminine, but I'm just leaning out, my tummy's getting smaller. I'm just couldn't be happier. Things are perfect. I would never normally wear a jumper like this without having a longer top underneath, and I don't feel like I need to, so this is just so rare for me. I've always had a really big tummy, so this is just amazing. This cute little jumper too, I thought I'd let you know, is from H&M. It was only $25, so I love the colour. It's really cute. You know I'm a pink fan. I just love pink. I feel like, I think with dark hair it looks really good. It's sort of, I like brighter colours. I do like the neutrals, but sometimes it washes me out because I've got this dark hair. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you the progress shot. I'm really happy though. Thank you, Equalution. Okay, so week 12 check-in. I can't believe it's been 12 weeks. I'm really happy with my results. So last week I had the bloat and I put on weight. So this time I've actually come down, so that's really good, and I can definitely see a difference in my stomach after last week's food as well. So that really helped with what the Equalution team did for my with my diet. My stomach and my body definitely reacted so much better. This week I lost 400 grams, which is amazing. I'm really happy with that. I'm definitely the slow and steady kind of girl, but the good news is that it's staying off, and if I do have a gain, it definitely, it seems to be more of a bloating thing, and I do think now it is my diet, but I do think it is to do with the Hashimoto autoimmune disease that I have. So it's a thyroid condition, and I do have, basically the symptoms are similar to an underactive thyroid. So I put on weight very easily, and it's probably, now that I'm learning so much, I actually think it's a lot of water weight. I do sort of bloat right up and I can feel the fluid, so I think that's what it was, and it seems to be certain things that do set it off that make it worse. So this week in my measurements, I only lost 1 centimetre off my thighs. I have been working out basically every day. I think I might have missed one day. I will link workouts down below. I've sort of stepped up things. There's still the walking workouts, but much more cardio, and I've even put some weights into it as well, and I'm definitely feeling a difference in my body as well from doing that, but still very low impact. I've just been getting up early, getting my workout in, and getting out the door and going to work. So in total now I've lost 3.9 kilos, so close to cracking the 4 kilos, but I'm really happy with that. So down to 63.4, and my goal is to get to 62. If I get under that, then great, but 62 I'd be happy with. In total now I have lost 3 centimeters off my arms, 19 centimeters off my hips, 13 centimeters off my waist, and 9 centimeters off my thighs. So that's just incredible. I've definitely had the up and down journey, and it's been slow, but I think that's why I hope that the weight will now just stay off. I mean, I have to remember that I'm 45 years old. I have Hashimoto autoimmune. I've got high cholesterol. You know, there's things now that I've learnt through Equalution that I can eat, you know, healthy, great food that's delicious. I can have chocolate, I can have fruit. All these things I would delete out of my diet, and I never needed to, and I didn't want to. And why should you? Like, you know, you've got to live as well. It's like, I think I spent all of my 30s just denying myself all these wonderful things. And for what? Like, the 10 years is gone. Half the time stressing about how my body looked, and I just don't want to feel like that anymore. You know, I'm 45. Once I hit my 50s, I want to be, you know, just in the zone, just cruising, eating healthy food, and just happy, and not having to worry about this anymore. And I'll know what to eat and what's perfect for my body. I'm looking forward to week 13. The plan came through, but I won't tell you yet. You'll see it next week. And I really hope that you've enjoyed the video and the vlog and coming along with us and seeing what we're up to as well. I don't want to just make my vlogs just all about the diet. I think that's a bit boring. So I enjoy watching vlogs, so I try to make vlogs that I like to watch. And if you have enjoyed them, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. You know, I'm so small and I'm just, you know, chugging along, but I'm really enjoying it, and it's actually a great creative outlet for me. So if you do enjoy it, please like and subscribe, and go to my Instagram. I'll have all the details there as usual. I'll have a bit of fashion, a bit of fun stuff there. So please join us over there, and I've got a wonderful little community over there, which is just amazing. I love all of you. Thank you for all the new subscribers and also my OGs. I love you all so much, and any questions, please leave them down below. Don't hesitate to ever contact me, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Mwah.
Join our family. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.